Hi everyone, Greg here from the Laser channel where we learn, create, and share. And in today's video, I'm going to share how I made all these award trophies for an upcoming event. Thanks for joining me for another video on the Laser channel. The great backstory on these awards is it's to help support a local fundraiser for a park in the area. I was contacted by the race director and they're looking for a nice basic grassroots type awards that look very nice, and I suggested that I had the perfect material. I have some wood oak slices that I cut about a year ago, and these are now fully cured and ready to be engraved. I did a graphic mock-up, and in fact I even made this mock-up for them to make sure that they like the graphic, the layout, and the quality, and got the approval for that, so I ran the rest of them. During this video, we're going to follow the process that I used for this practice mock-up one. If you're having trouble sourcing out some wood slices in your area, certainly a trip to a home improvement center and some quality plywood or other type of wood that can be engraved would be a great substitute. In a little bit, we're going to see the laser machine that I'm using for this project is a CO2 laser. Also know that a laser diode machine works equally as well. The process that I'll be sharing with you is going to be the same. Well, with all the basics being covered, it's now time to follow the journey of this wood slice as it gets transformed into this awesome award. A quick cleanup with a wire brush. I'll get the front, the back, and the sides. I'll select the surface I want for the engraving. I'll cut a flat on the bottom so the award easily stands up. I also tilt the blade back 5 degrees. This is a nice angle to better view the award. I create the jet black engraving using a borax soap solution. Add borax soap to room temperature water until the borax soap no longer dissolves. Then add some more. Heat the borax solution to finish dissolving the borax soap. Liberally apply to the front, the back, and the sides. Allow to dry overnight. Engraving time. I check that the wood slice is roughly leveled. I size the graphic about 1.5 inches smaller than the height of the wood slice. Some quick math tells me this will leave 3/4 of an inch at the top and the bottom when properly centered. When engraving, I use laser settings that are lower in power and faster in speeds, and this produces great results. There's a little residue left over from the engraving. I'll use a quick shot of air to clean this up. To keep this nice jet black engraving from smearing, I'm going to apply 2 to 4 coats of a nice spray polyurethane. I'll spray the front, the back, and the sides. This project was a lot of fun, and I've used this method on other types of wood, on other projects, and I always get the same awesome results every time. If you'd like to know more about this endurance event coming up in August of 2024, I will have a link to that down in the video description. I'm sure they'd love to see your support. If you'd like to know more about any of the other products that you've seen in this video, I'll also have links to those down in the video description. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, or ring that notification bell. Not only is it a great way to help the Laser channel grow, it's an awesome way to connect video content like this with other great viewers just like you. Well, Until we meet again in the next video, learn, create, and share.